Welcome to Marigold Lesson, the Balloon Man. When you go to market, does a balloon man visit your market? Let's see what the balloon man in the poem brings with him.
He always comes on market days and holds balloons, a lovely bunch, and in the market square he stays and never seems to think of lunch.
They're red and purple, blue and green. And when it is a sunny day, the carts and people get between. You see them shining far away.
And some are big and some are small, all tied together with a string. And if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything.
Someday perhaps he'll let them go, and we shall see them sailing high, and stand and watch them from below. They would look pretty in the sky.
Such a nice poem by Rose Fileman. Let's first look at the new words and their meaning. The word bunch means a number of things of the same kind that are attached together.
Example sentences are: please buy 1 bunch of bananas and 1 bunch of grapes from the market. I like to roam in the garden with a bunch of balloons.
The word square, apart from the meaning of shape, is also used to mean an outdoor space or plaza within a town or city.
Oh, you mean like the city center? Here are the example sentences. We sat by a banyan tree in the town square. Every year there will be a fair in the city square.
The word sunny is used to mean receiving a lot of light from the sun.
Sentences with the word sunny are: my bedroom is bright and sunny because it has nice, big windows. It was a hot, sunny day and just perfect for swimming.
The word tug means to pull at in a strong way.
Example sentences: we played tug of war pulling each other. The horse tugged the cart with force.
Having understood the difficult words, let's recap what we learned from the poem composed by Rose Fileman. The balloon man always comes on the market days, and he stays almost the whole day never thinking of lunch. He holds balloons of all colors, red, purple, blue, and green. Even when others come in between in a busy market, the shining top of the balloons are always visible. Balloons come in big and small sizes. They tug, and tug means they get pulled when there is wind. Then the poet wishes the balloon man will let go all his balloons someday, then it will be nice to look at all the balloons flying in the sky. Let's answer the questions from the textbook. Where does the balloon man stand?
The balloon man stood in the market square.
What happens to the balloons when there is a wind?
The balloons start tugging when there is a wind.
What does the child like to see the balloon man do?
The child would like balloon man to let the balloons go sailing high in the sky.
Well done. With this we have come to the end of the session.